Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix this kind of problem of your Redmi phone or any Android phone. When you access your file in your device, this problem is showing on your Android data folder and also other folders. So let's get started how to fix this issue. First uninstall your zarchiver app. After that, press and hold on the File Manager app. And then clear the storage data. After clearing the storage data, open File Manager app. Then go to Android Data or 𝐷𝐷 folder. Now click on View in Files. Now press on App Overview icon according to your navigation bar. Here you can see two files. One is only Files, and another is File Manager or you have others name. Here long press on Only Files option. And then you can get like this interface. Now uninstall the Update of Files app here, that's it. After uninstalling the update, open Play Store. And again install zarchiver app. After installing, open zarchiver, allow all permission. Go to Android Data or 𝐷𝐷 folder. Click on Use this folder, that's it. And this problem is solved. Now you can anytime access into data and 𝐷𝐷 folder. And you can also transfer any data or file into Android Data or 𝐷𝐷 folder without any problem. Guys, hopefully this video is helpful for you. If you want a more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon. Thank you for watching this video.